Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showcasing you how to fast charge your Galaxy S26 Ultra or any other Samsung phone. So we need to check one single setting to enable the super fast charging and fast wireless charging. But the first thing which you need to do is to make sure that you have a fast charger or higher watt adapter. And along with that, of course, a functional cable to charge your Galaxy S26 series or any other Samsung. In order to fast charge and fast wireless charge, you need to open up your settings, scroll down towards battery and then the charging settings. Here, make sure to turn on the fast charging and fast wireless charging if you are going to use the wireless charger with your device. And from now on, whenever you plug your Galaxy S26 with a cable, it will show a super fast charging logo there. And when using a wireless charger, fast wireless charging will appear on the screen. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.